The Willie Wagtail is a familiar Australian bird, usually found in woodlands but also common in suburban areas. It is the largest Australian fantail and is easily distinguishable by its distinct black and white coloration. Its success in urban environments, as well as its widespread distribution through Australia and New Guinea, is due to its generalist diet. The Willie Wagtail is an opportunistic insectivore, actively pursuing both ground and aerial insects and can often be seen hunting under trees. While it usually forages on or close to the ground, the wagtail may use perches, such as branches or livestock, to scan the environment for potential prey items. As a social monogamist, the wagtail is very territorial during its spring and summer breeding season, protecting its foraging grounds from other birds and pairs of wagtails. Outside of breeding season, it is otherwise happy to share high resource areas, as we observed in a narrow remnant woodland national park close to human habitation. 3 different pairs of wagtails were spotted sharing the same 20 by 10 meter area, each dominating a woodland patch but sharing the grassy areas between them. The Australian fantail shares some interesting foraging techniques, including the well-known tail wag from which the Willie wagtail derives its name. The exact reason why the bird wags its tail is still unknown. It has been hypothesized to play a role in balance or communication, but the most accepted idea is that it wags its tail to flush out prey from the ground. The Willie wagtail prefers to use this foraging technique in direct sunlight, where the shadows cast by its wagging tail startle insects and prompt them to emerge from their refuges, becoming visible tasty treats for the wagtail. The Willie wagtail will also use its wings, not just to fly, but to help it capture aerial insects. The sudden raising and lowering, or flashing, of the bird's wings is not as well studied, but likely works in a similar way to tail wagging to startle or daze prey. The foraging technique is used to greatest effect in the middle of the day when insects are more abundant, as the action is probably more energetically costly than tail wagging. We're still trying to figure out the mechanism behind these showy behaviours, but however wagtails catch their prey, it's clearly working for them.